If you're planning on selling your home, staging can make a big difference. So I'm going to share with you 5 reasons why staging your home can help you to sell faster and potentially help you to sell for more. First of all, it helps buyers visualize living there. A well-arranged space can help buyers to visualize how the room can be used, and it also helps them to emotionally connect with the property. A space that has too much going on can distract the buyer from seeing how that space can be useful. Another reason for staging is that it can make the house look larger. If a room appears to look larger, then it can also look functional. The way that you position furniture in a room can help you to see the flow and the functionality of the room, and it helps to highlight the room's layout. The staging also helps when it comes to taking photos for your listing. Of course, the first place that buyers go is online to search for their houses, right? The first time that they actually lay eyes on your home will be from the pictures that you post online. If your photos look bright and attractive, that could definitely bring in more buyers and help your listing to stand out. Staging also draws attention to the best features of your home. For example, the natural light that comes into your home, your fireplace, or just any unique area of your home. Overall, staging your home definitely can add to helping you to sell your home faster. If you want to attract more buyers, then staging is the way to go. If you're thinking about selling your home and you want more tips and advice about how to get your home market ready, feel free to reach out to me.